The 2025 Grand Slam Track Miami wasn't just another track and field competition. It was a high-energy showcase of Caribbean athletes dominating the sport, earning massive cash prizes and breaking records. From Jamaica's Danielle making history in Kingston to Trinidad's Jereem clinching his first Grand Slam title, the stakes were high and the performances were electrifying. Ackera Nugent's stunning 100-meter win, Lady Paulino's 200-meter national record, and unforgettable moments from the entire Caribbean contingent set the stage for a track meet like no other. So, let's get right into it. Caribbean athletes thrived at the meet, with Jamaica's Danielle making history in Kingston as the first ever Grand Slam track champion. Trinidad and Tobago's Jereem began the three-day meet on day one by running his joint third fastest 200-meter time of 19.86 seconds to take the win.
Pretty even start from everybody. Hudson Smith takes out a couple of meters of Gardner, who has not got away, but look at Orgando in lane three. He's absolutely shot round the top bend, and right on the inside, Patterson is going well. But it's Orgando who's leading this one at the moment. Orgando, and then Jereem is right up there. These two are pulling away. Samakonga's having a great race.
On the second day, Jereem ran his fourth fastest 400-meter ever with a time of 44.32 seconds to place second, and became the first Caribbean man to win the Grand Slam track title in the men's long sprints. He also bagged a cash prize of $100,000. In the women's 100-meter hurdles, Jamaica's Ackera Nugent ran a very fast 12.34 seconds to place third in the event on day one of the meet. The event was won by Ackera Nugent's rival Masai Russell of the United States in an American record of 12.17 seconds. Tia Jones was second with 12.19 seconds, just outside the previous American record of 12.20 seconds set by Kendra Harrison in 2016. Ackera Nugent was furious and determined to capture the overall Grand Slam title as she contested the 100-meter the next day. Nugent got her usual bullet start, and there was no stopping her as she led to the finish and won in 11.09 seconds to equal her personal best that was set in 2021 while at Baylor University.
Nugent does get out well. Tia Jones got a pretty good start, but look at Megan Tapper. She always starts quickly. Megan Tapper's leading this at the moment. Nugent right through the middle. It's going to be Ackera Nugent. How far ahead? She wins it.
Nugent's countrywoman Megan Tapper was second in a personal best of 11.33 seconds. This performance made Nugent the overall Grand Slam champion in the women's short hurdles. World and Olympic 400-meter champion Lady Paulino of the Dominican Republic was able to put on a clinical finish in the long sprints. She ran a season's best of 49.21 to tie for her 10th fastest time on day one of the meet.
Paulino just got left a little bit. Alexis Holmes much quicker out of the blocks, but Nasser's lost ground as well. And Paulino's running a good bend following Nikisha Price. Alexis Holmes is there. Nasser's got to get on terms here because Paulino has the lead. It's Paulino and Nasser. Paulino's looking strong though and continues to go away. Forging ahead. Paulino's going to take the slam. 2 wins. 22.3.
2 days later, Paulino returned to run a solid 22.30 seconds national record to win the 200-meter and take the overall Grand Slam title.
Paulino just got left a little bit. Alexis Holmes much quicker out of the blocks, but Nasser's lost ground as well. And Paulino's running a good bend following Nikisha Price. Alexis Holmes is there. Nasser's got to get on terms here because Paulino has the lead. It's Paulino and Nasser. Paulino's looking strong though and continues to go away. Forging ahead. Paulino's going to take the slam. 2 wins. 22.3.
Other Caribbean athletes such as Antoinette Knight of Jamaica placed second in the women's long hurdles group, Megan Tapper placed third in the women's short hurdles group, and Oblique Seville was second in the men's short sprints group to end the meet for the Caribbean. The 2025 Grand Slam Track Miami has proven that the Caribbean is a powerhouse of athletic talent, with athletes setting new records, winning big, and inspiring future generations. From historic firsts to personal bests, these incredible performances show that the sky's the limit. As the meet heads to Philadelphia, the energy is only building, and we can't wait to see what these champions will achieve next. Now, we wish to hear from you. What do you think of Jereem stunning victory? and Ackera Nugent's comeback win. Which performance from the Grand Slam track Miami did you enjoy the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out our video on the top 5 fastest Caribbean women over the 60 meters. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing performances from Caribbean athletes, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. This is Caribbean Focus Sports, and we'll see you in the next video.